Greetings, Nader 1984, the Terminator CZ here, and I'm actually remaking a ringtone that I had a long time ago. It was a Terminator ringtone, of course, on my keyboard that only has 61 keys on it in total. So yeah, this is pretty much, and the vibration be prepared for in case you use headphones. Yeah, I don't mind that extra keyboard. That's my friend in the background, Abby25, playing her keyboard. But I'm playing this because this is a Terminator ringtone I had a long time ago that I'm bringing memories back for. And it was the first Terminator I made. I'm trying not to mess up. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's pretty much the Terminator ringtone, and I'll end it here and post this, a remake of the last video. Goodbye now.